As requested, this is how I put my logo on all of my leotards. First, I went to Walmart because it was the most convenient, but actually Amazon is half the price of this. I am getting the Infusible ink transfer sheets. Then I got home and I got my dinosaur printer ready. I think this is like one of the first ones, but I got it for a steal, like $150. Okay, anyways, once you open it up, it comes in this really dark plastic. I'm guessing that is very relevant. I'm assuming the light will distort it, so I'm gonna keep it for the second paper to put back in there. I should just make them all at once, but you know, I'm just not. Now I'm getting ready to put the sheet on the sticky thing, and I did mess up the first time. I would recommend not doing that because it was awful getting it back off. I did make a little boo-boo, but it's okay. We're all good now. Remember, right side is facing up and we're going to mirror. When adjusting your settings, you're probably gonna have to pick browse all materials and then Infusible ink transfer sheets. Now, I don't know if my blade is just dull or if this paper is just so thick, but you wanna do more. So then with more pressure, it'll go all the way through the paper. I also do this with the normal vinyl, but I'd say the Infusible ink is my favorite. However, some of my leotards have black in them, and so this on top of black doesn't really show that well, so then that's when I use the normal vinyl. Anywho, taking it off, you already know, is stressful. I think I did pretty good though. Now, once I'm ready to iron on the logo, I take all the surroundings off, in addition to the middle part too. It's a little tedious, but it works for me. Once that's done, I cut around the circle. Now back in like 2017, I don't think they had these baby irons, so I actually used a straightener. Yes, a straightener. So you put your design on there, you put your protective paper on top of it, and then you just iron it on there with the straightener. I hope you learned something today, and I'll put all the supplies in the description.